For an amazing summer, you don't need any crazy thing. Do you know the feeling of going out of school and feeling like you're completely free and you can do whatever you want in those holidays? But then, at the end of them, you think like, oh my goodness, what did I actually do? You feel unhappy. You feel like you've just wasted your holidays. And believe me too. That's why I wanted to film this video, to save you a lot of time and frustration and to make those summer the best summer ever. You know, usually how we start our holidays is just doom scrolling because we feel bored otherwise. You know, when you have a lot of time, I mean, what if not using your phone? So usually you would just scroll on your phone. Doing that, you feel bad in the end of the day, but you still continue that. And in the worst case, every day of the holiday is flying by with no use. Or also lying in bed until 1 o'clock, then wondering why you feel sluggish all the time. But here are some things that you can do to make this summer the best one ever. You might be lying around in bed until 1 a.m., feeling like you're resting this way, but then you feel sluggish, and really, those sluggish feeling is not rest. You won't come far with it. And usually, you're not even able to enjoy your time exactly because of those sluggish feeling that usually occurs when you're scrolling on your phone or lying around in bed. The best thing you can do this summer is to activate your whole system, your body and your brain, to feel really rested and re-energized your body. You can activate it by basically reducing those sluggishness. And you can do that by waking up at 7 a.m. And I know not everyone would like to do that, and I myself, I struggle sometimes with that too. Just looking around how I made it at 6 o'clock to those beach, but never mind. You might feel thumped to go to bed at 10 o'clock, but if you wake up at 7 a.m., you don't feel like those the last fool that has wasted the whole day. You wake up at 7 a.m., and probably if you wake up that early, you'll not want to go to bed at midnight. Just try it. Who knows how your body will feel like in 1 week. On that, just slight exercise will do the work. You don't need to do any fancy workout, but at least just somehow activate your body through like sit-ups or just going out for a walk. It's freaking summer outside. You don't want to come back to school and say this year again, the only thing you did do is eat, sleep, phone. You want to do something amazing out of this summer. And of course, I will say that you need to socialize with people. Meet up with friends, because if you enjoy spending time with them, probably that's how you want to spend those time. But it's also completely okay if you don't want to socialize. And again, going to the scrolling, it just clutters your mind. You can also reduce all the sluggishness in your head. And really, scrolling on your phone won't make you happy. Put it away. And feeling bored is actually not bad, because when you feel bored, you gradually increase your focus. And when you have a better focus, your brain is fresher and more creative. And when it is more creative, you'll go around and then suddenly you'll get an idea about what you really want to do right now, and probably also feel really inspired for it. You can also, for example, change your playlist, because of what you listen to, that way you also feel. That's why this summer you can also try out some new music. Maybe you might like it just as much as your usual preferred music. Also, surround yourself with content that does not reduce your attention span. You can watch inspiring videos that make you feel inspired, but don't exaggerate with them. Because sometimes you fall into those traps of only watching them, you feel like you yourself are already doing it, but the only thing you're doing is just watching those videos. You're not doing it yourself yet. Just do whatever you want and you'll feel activated to do it once you've reduced those sluggish feeling. And if you at least try those challenges for a week to activate your body and your brain by doing those healthy things, you just need to wake up at 7 a.m. for at least a week. Try it out. You might not believe me, but the effects are immense. Hope this helps.